Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unsubscribe from Starbucks promotional emails. Open the website starbucks.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your account profile at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Settings. Click on Settings. On this page, you will see a section for Communication Preferences. Click on the Edit button under it. To unsubscribe, click on the toggle switch beside Yes, I'd like promotional email from Starbucks. And now you'll no longer receive promotional emails unless you turn it on again. That's how you unsubscribe from Starbucks promotional emails. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.